Afternoon, everyone. My name is Mark McFadden with Onyx Equities Group, LLC. We're a small company based in Baltimore, Maryland. We were formed in February 2019. We have a keen interest in helping others achieve their investing goals, monetary goals, family goals. I'm going to explain a little bit about what Onyx Equity Group does in hopes that you may join our ranks of members. We're just everyday people. We're not experts, but we are here to help try to foster a collaborative, transparent environment where folks can come in and learn about investing. Onyx Equities Group. So what is Onyx Equities Group? I'm going to share my screen with you all here and kind of take you through a small presentation. Onyx Equities Group, as I stated earlier, was formed in February 9th, 2019 in Baltimore, Maryland. We say OEG for short for Onyx Equities Group. Mission. Onyx Equities Group is a private equity limited liability company built on the premise of transparency and collaboration, providing opportunities to participate in investments to increase members' portfolios. Our key, share information, be transparent about that information, help others. Our unity is our wealth. That's our slogan. So why would you want to become a member of Onyx Equities Group? OEG, our premise is to provide a way for individuals who may not be considered qualified accredited investors. You may have a question of what's a qualified accredited investor, and we'll actually go over that in a moment. But we're just here to provide a platform and a way and an opportunity for regular folks to be able to invest in opportunities otherwise unattainable to them. Far too often, as the old saying goes, the rich get richer. Why? They have the knowledge, they have the access, they have the means. So we're trying to level like the playing field and help others get into some of these opportunities, especially on kind of like the private equity side before these companies go public that they otherwise might not be able to get into. Members of OEG are just ordinary persons of all different walks of life, professions, backgrounds, expertise, religious affiliations, races. Doesn't matter. We do not discriminate. We take all folks into Onyx Equities Group as long as you are upfront, as long as you're transparent, and as long as you don't mind sharing, you are welcomed in Onyx Equities Group. Our particular focus, though, initially when we started Onyx Equities Group is private equity. I mentioned a term earlier called accredited investor. So an accredited investor is a person or a business entity who is allowed to deal in securities that may not be registered with financial authorities. Pretty simple, privately held companies. They are entitled to such privileged access if they satisfy one or more requirements regarding income, net worth, asset size, the governance status, or professional experience. In the US, the term is used by the SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, under Regulation D to refer to investors who are financially sophisticated and have a reduced need for the protection provided by regulatory disclosure filings. Accredited investors include natural high net worth individuals, banks, insurance companies, brokers, and trusts. And we'll kind of keep expanding upon that a little bit as we have more type of videos that will be posted on our YouTube channel, and I'll actually have the link to share with you as well. What is private equity? Private equity is an alternate investment class and consists of capital that is not listed on a public exchange, NASDAQ, S&P 500, Russell. So these are privately held companies not listed on any of those exchanges. NYSE is not listed on any exchanges. These are still privately held companies, and they're companies that we all have heard about. They're companies that we use their products or their services, and they're companies that are looking for people to invest capital in them prior to them going public. Private equity is composed of funds and investors that directly invest in private companies or that engage in buyouts of public companies, resulting in the delisting of public equity. Institutional and retail investors provide the capital for private equity, and the capital can be utilized to fund new technologies, make acquisitions, expand working capital, and to bolster and solidify balance sheets. Let's kind of put a pin in it right there, and I'm going to stop the share. So again, this is just my first video in the line of many to come on imparting what we do with Onyx Equities Group. And we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to possibly come and join our group. If you would like more information, you can always visit us at www.oeg-llc.com. Thank you for watching. Again, Onyx Equities Group, unity is the key to our wealth. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay blessed.